Alright, let's do like a
serious one, a good one?
Well, like a good one.
Alright. Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Billy.
And I'm Anthony.
And we're the THES2K guys. Hey guys, this is my 2005 S2000 AP2 Silver Sebring. I got this about a year ago on my birthday. I'm originally from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. That's where my hometown is. I'm an electrician by trade, and this is one of my hobbies that I do with Anthony. And that's a little bit about myself.
Hey, what's up guys? This is my 2002 Honda S2000. It's a new Formula Red. I'm from South Jersey, currently an automotive service technician for Subaru. This is actually my second S2000. In the past, I've had a 2003 Spy Yellow Pearl. I'd love to show you guys what's in store with this one and this build.
Me and Anthony have known each other since grade school. It's been quite some time.
It's been a long time.
Been a long time. I bought my S2000 about a year ago. I was coming from a Civic Si. I sold it. I bought this on my birthday, drove down to North Carolina. Anthony here got pretty excited.
Yeah, I got really excited. No, I was pretty pumped for him and for him getting this car. You know, like I mentioned earlier, this is my second S2000 and there's nothing better than this car. Everything about this car is just awesome. He got his car in what, February 2020?
Yep, February 2020 I guess.
10 months later, I pick up this new Formula Red 02 S2000. He got me hyped to get into another car. I knew I was going to build something. It was just a matter of time of finding the right car. You know, we decided, you know, we both have S2000s and we both love the car so much. So like, why not mod the cars together? You know, start recording our journey of our builds. While we're doing that, you know, we hope to influence and help other S2000 enthusiasts with you know, our install videos and modifications that we do in the car.
This is all for you guys. Like I said, we love these cars and we'd be doing this either way. So it's just nice to share it with you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy our journey.
Follow us on Instagram. Appreciate the follow and the support.